Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sunil, the Wizard Guy. In today's video, we are going to learn how to delete files completely from our computer. In our last video, we saw how to recover deleted files. So we saw that deleted files are kept in what we call a recycle bin on the desktop. As you can see, we have the recycle bin. This is where all the files that have been deleted out of our computer that are stored. So deleted files are stored in what we call a recycle bin. So we are going to see how we can delete files from our computers completely without being in that recycle bin. So here we have some files here on the desktop. We have some files you can see. So I don't need these files completely in my computer. So I'm going to delete them forever and I will never see them again. So you come and select your files like this. After selecting, you right click and choose what? Delete. You delete the files. Even this one, you delete them. Select, then you delete. Right click and then you choose what? Delete. So when you delete, we say files are kept or stored in a recycle bin. So we have to follow those files to a recycle bin. We open the recycle bin and then finally we select. After selecting, we right click and we choose what? Delete. So when you click delete, files will be deleted forever. Or we can use an option for empty recycle bin, this one here. So we come to manage, then we choose what? Empty on the recycle bin option here. So we click empty recycle bin. Then the system will ask you, are you sure you want to permanently delete these files out of your system? So we have two options. Either we say yes or no. So when we say no, they will not be deleted permanently. When you say yes, the files will go forever. We'll never see them again. So they will be deleted permanently out of our computer system. So in this case, we want to delete them completely. So we shall choose an option for yes. So when you click yes, the files will be deleted forever, completely. So when you check on our system, they are not there. When you go to recycle bin, they are not there. So our files have been deleted completely from our system. Okay? Thank you very much for watching. Hope you have learned something in today's video.